What is up, YouTube? It's Fancy Pollock here, and today I'm looking at the new light bar I got from Nilight. This is going to be my new bumper bar. So it's going to be an amber 12-inch bar that hopefully should fit on the front and just give me a different option other than the full-on bright light bar. I have an amber one depending on the weather situation when we're on the trails. So I also got a switch with it, a dash mounted switch that specifically says bumper light bar, just to make it a little easier. Comes with some jumpers and whatnot, but we'll get this thing unboxed and see how she looks. Comes with the wiring harness with the relay and the switch, which we'll be replacing. We'll have to see how the wiring diagram wants us to do that. Comes with the brackets, and then obviously like stuff. 2 nuts in there for mounting it. So yeah, we'll get this bad boy turned around. We can start working on it. Alrighty, I figured out the switch. That's the wiring that we needed to get done. I had to crimp on some new connections so they would actually work. So that's about all done. We'll get the thing mounted on the front, and then we'll go from there and running the cable, which is always a pain in the butt. As far as mounting goes, it's pretty basic. It's got the usual light bar mount where it's kind of an angled thing, and there's a nut on the inside as you saw, and then bolts that go through, and then you tighten them down there. Pretty solid. I mean, we'll see how this holds up, but now it's a matter of getting all that wiring through, which usually involves cutting the zip tie there, kind of where we fed the what's it called, the winch cabling through, and then feed the rest of the cable through that, which is always a pain in the butt.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations.
For anyone wondering, that's what my ultimate wiring looks like. It may look like a bit of a jumbled mess, but it's actually pretty organized, and I actually used that frame up there. I'm sure if you guys can see, there's a metal frame right up there. It's got a couple holes in it that you can fish some zip ties through, but from sitting up here, it doesn't really get in the way of anything, and any of the small stuff is away from the pedals and the steering wheel. So let me show you guys what it looks like under the hood, or the front compartment. So up front here, we've got most of the wires coiled up through here rather than having them coiled under the dash, since there's more space up here. Then from there, kind of fed through this loophole, and actually underneath this plastic, because this piece has a little bit of a gap that goes down, and I can then feed it through the actual front of the front grille. So this is where I made those connections earlier. I'm eventually going to put some loom over that so it doesn't rub through stuff, but it honestly should be okay for our purposes. So yeah, that's about all she wrote. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control, and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up. gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's 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 gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good.